Before we talk about the famous names, let's start simple. A stock exchange is a marketplace where buyers and sellers trade ownership in companies. Think of it like an online auction for businesses. You don't trade goods, you trade ideas, innovation, and value. Every price you see is a reflection of millions of decisions happening in real time. Behind the screens, the stock exchange connects them all, matching buyers and sellers, verifying trades, and keeping the market alive.
Our story begins in 1792, under a buttonwood tree on Wall Street. 24 brokers made a pact to trade company shares in an organized way. That small meeting created a giant, the New York Stock Exchange. Over 2 centuries later, the NYSE still stands tall, home to companies like Apple, Coca-Cola, and IBM. It's known for tradition, structure, and trust. And every morning when the opening bell rings, the sound echoes around the world, signaling another day of opportunity.
Decades later, in 1971, a new kind of exchange was born, NASDAQ. Unlike the NYSE's busy trading floor, NASDAQ went fully electronic. No paper slips, no shouting brokers, just computers matching trades instantly. It became the home for the tech revolution. Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Tesla all found their first home on the NASDAQ. It proved that technology could make markets faster, smarter, and global. While the NYSE represented heritage, NASDAQ represented innovation. While Wall Street was shaping America's finance, a similar story was unfolding in India, under a banyan tree in Mumbai. In 1875, a group of brokers began trading shares right there. And that's how the Bombay Stock Exchange, or BSE, was born. It became Asia's oldest exchange, and today it lists over 5,000 companies, making it one of the most diverse markets in the world. From family-run businesses to billion-dollar conglomerates, the BSE helped India transition from trade to technology.
But the real transformation came in 1992, when India introduced the National Stock Exchange, or NSE. Unlike BSE's traditional floor trading, the NSE was fully electronic from day one. It brought speed, transparency, and accessibility, allowing investors across India to trade from their computers. Within years, NSE became India's largest exchange by volume, powering the country's financial growth and bringing millions of new investors into the market.
Whether it's NYSE, NASDAQ, NSE, or BSE, they all follow the same principle. Every second, millions of buy and sell orders enter the system. When a buyer's price matches a seller's price, the trade happens instantly. The exchange acts like a referee, ensuring fairness, security, and transparency in every single transaction. Without exchanges, the market would simply fall into chaos.
So how do these exchanges compare? NYSE, the traditional giant, built on legacy and reputation. NASDAQ, the digital pioneer, powering innovation and tech. BSE, the historic pillar of Asia's markets. NSE, the modern revolution that redefined Indian trading. 4 different paths, one single mission: to connect people, companies, and capital across the world.